Welcome everybody, this is Jasmuheen for the Embassy of Peace. Just tuning in to say hello Vienna. It's wonderful for me to be able to come back into your city and to gather again with all the beautiful ones who've been with me before and also our new ones. I've been working deep in India and Brazil and Japan and China for the last few years. So this is my first time back in Europe for a while, and yet so much has been happening in our world. When my body first converted in 1993 to being nourished by source energy, it was such a shock for me, and I didn't understand then about our multi-dimensional nature and about the matrix of our body of light and what it actually carries. And this has been, like, for me, like for many, a fascinating journey of exploration. Yet as consciousness in our world changes, and as all of us begin to come more into our heart and into an awareness of our multi-dimensional nature, we realize the magnificence of the human design and how we are built to be able to move into a state of being where we are free from every human hunger. Just imagine this, a world where there's no emotional hunger, there's no mental hunger, no spiritual hunger, and no physical hunger. What does this world look like? And what is amazing is that we have all the tools within us to access this. So in our gathering with you in Vienna this year, we're going to share very simple methodology about our Unity Reset program, coming back into a state of oneness with that pure nature so we can be free from all our hungers. We'll meditate together and just tune into this multi-dimensional matrix that we can all access, that is part of us, and come into that deeper state of health and happiness and harmony within ourselves and with all of creation. Such an amazing way to be, and I look forward to connecting with you deeper to share all of our latest research soon. Namaste.